Hey, this is Upin. This is a new studio, but this is something that I like to call the surprise because of the front of it that looks like a face that's front. So that's pretty much it. I built it out of all those Legos. Actually, those are the extras. And something new that I just got yesterday would be a dragon pencil. It's kind of bad, but other than that, it's pretty cool. But back to this. It pretty much is an RC car, a Lego RC car, a little bit of Star Wars thing, and Space Police, Lego Space Police. Again, the RC cars, Lego RC cars, bit of Star Wars, and Space Police. Again, here's the front of it, and there's even a small cockpit with a person. Then there's the back with bad movie things, I think, but those came from the Lego Space Police, and these are going to be used as giant missiles. I'll be right back.